In this video, I'll detail how to scroll to the top on iMessage on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and you have a very long or lengthy iMessage that you want to scroll through like this, then this video is going to show you two different methods that you can use to scroll to the top of the message, no matter the length of the message on your iMessage. So this works on iOS 18 and on the earlier version like iOS 16, iOS 14, and iOS 15. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to scroll to the top of iMessage on your iPhone, all you need to do is open the iMessage. Now literally the easiest way that you can use to do this is scroll like this. But if you have hundreds of messages, how will you be able to do this? Then all you just need to do is locate the timestamp icon at the top left and click on that. Once you click on the timestamp at the top left, this is going to take you to the top of the iMessage on your iPhone. So let's say you have lengthy message, just click on that. There you go. So that is basically how to scroll to the top of iMessage on iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.